Good morning, children. Have you understood Tenali Ramakrishnan's cleverness, ma? So, okay. So today I am going to take the grammar part of the first lesson. Have you bought all the textbooks? If you have no textbooks, how can you understand, ma? Please, you buy all of you. You should have the textbooks. Okay. Okay. Today I am going to take the grammar part. Here, page 6, they given these sentences are in disorder. We have to write in order on the line. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences are there, no? In this, out of 5 sentences, which sentence will come first? So you have to write that first answer on the first line. Like that, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, ma'am? You understood the lesson, I think. So while you're reading, you'll get the which is the first one and second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. Everything you write on the line. First you put the numbers which is the first answer. You have to put number 1, number 2, number 3 like that. According to that number you write on the line. Okay. Next we'll come to the second one is the true or false. Here maybe you might have learned in 5th class only you are writing true or false. Okay, while reading the sentence you will get the answer true or false. But here what will you know? Which is the correct answer, you put right mark. Which is the wrong answer? Listen carefully. Which is the wrong answer? You have to put wrong into there in the bracket. So what is the wrong? You have to write the correct answer on the line. Only wrong answers you have to write on the line with the correct answer. Okay, ma? This is the number 2. Number 1, you have to write order. And second one, true or false, which is the wrong one. You have to make it correct and write on the line. Only wrong answers. Then third one, here third one I wanted to talk. So third one, page 7. First one is the prefix and second one is the suffix and third one is maybe you are playing a word game. You take the one word, from that word you are making the meaningful words only from that word. Okay, like that. But you have to do these 1, 2, 3. Now I'll teach. Okay, you be careful. I'll give the question answers, everything. Afterwards I'll post it. Then you be careful what is the prefix and what is the suffix and what is the making the word from the which we got. Okay, so first one, prefix. Prefix means actually we'll get more opposites. You know very well, no ma? Strong, weak, okay? Then tight, loose, like that we know very well. Okay, then here what we are going to know, prefix. Prefix means which we are adding before the word. Adding before a word. Which we adding before a word, that is known as the prefix. Okay. So what are the prefixes they given? They given some prefixes. But while you're reading, while you're by hearting, while you're knowing what are the prefixes, you can write correct answers also. Okay. Not only this, we'll get more. Okay. Now, what are they given? We are going to see. First one, happy. Happy. They added un is the prefix, unhappy. Okay, ma? Unhappy. They given more examples here. So what are the prefixes? You underline it because you can understand clearly. So what are the prefixes we added here? You have to underline. Now I am going to give this answer. They given the prefixes. First they given the prefixes I or ill, ill, im, un, and in, and this. These are the prefixes. These are the prefixes adding to the what they given the words. Okay, you have to select which is the correct answer. So ir, ill, im, un, in, and this. Okay, these are the prefixes we have to add these words. So what we'll get? First one is the balance. First one is the balance. Actually we are talking Okay, in generally we are using all these words. So balance, what do you say? Imbalance. So this is the correct answer. Imbalance. Imbalance. So prefix means which we are adding before the word, that is known as the prefix. Okay, have you understood, ma? Okay, now I'll go to the second one, suffix. So remaining one, I'll send all these answers. Okay, second one is the suffix. Suffix means suffix. Prefix means before word we'll get the opposites. So while we are using the prefixes, we'll get the opposites. So that is known as the prefixes. Excluding the prefixes also we have the opposites. But now suffix means after the word. After a word, what we used. What we used. Suffix means after the word. Prefix means before a word. Here they give some meant and shun. Meant and shun. Here they give only few. Okay. Slowly you are going to know what are the prefixes and what are the suffixes. At the time of the examination, we won't give this slowly, we will give the general one also. So after the word, what we used meant and shun. S-I-O-N. More are there. Maybe you learn, you know that also. Here, first one, improve. Improve. So, what we had, shun or meant? Improvement. Very good. Improvement. When we add the meant, this is the suffix to the improve. Improvement. Improvement. Okay, ma? Next one, shun will do. Depress. 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 So, we have to add the shun. Depression. Depression. So, SION is the suffix of the depress. MENT is the suffix of the improve. More are the MENT, you remember, you'll get the correct answers. Okay. So, prefix means after the word, prefix means before the word, suffix means after the word what we used. That are known as the prefix and suffix. And one more grammar. Here, just like a word building, we have to make extract means take out. We have to take out a meaningful word from what we got the word. Okay. So, for example, reward, extracting, regard. Regard. So, what is the meaningful word come from the regard? Can you tell? What word will come? From that only you have to take. That is known as the extracting meaningful words. So, here, regard. God. God. God is there. Regard. The otherwise, no, not regard, reward. 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 What will come? Ward. W-A-R-D. Ward. Next one. Blessings. Blessings. What is the word? Meaningful word? Sing. Okay, very good. Sing. Then third one. Personal. Personal. What will come? Son. Very good. You can write person also. Okay. Next one. Matter. Matter. What will come? Mat. Okay, ma? Have you understood? So, first one what I told. These you have to write in the order. So according to the numbers you have to write on the line. And second one, true or false. Which is the false one? You have to make it correct one and write answer on the line. And third one, prefixes. Before word what we use, that is known as the prefix. What after the word what we use, known as the suffix. Then this last one is the extracting meaningful word what we given in the textbook. Okay, like this. Reward, word, blessing, sing, personal, son, or you can write the person also. Matter, mat. Okay, like that you have to, when you are in leisure time, no, you can play like this. You will get more knowledge. This is also game. This is also game, but no need to chatting and fighting like that in the class. You can make it like this. Any word what you know, more words are there, no ma? So you make it and extracting meaningful word. Just like a 80, you can do it. So you'll get more knowledge. You know more vocabulary also. Okay, can you do like that? So have you understood all this, ma? So for everything I gave the notes, I'll send to you. So you have to write everything in the classwork. So here this one and this one and this, these all you write in the textbook only. What I give, what are in the textbook, page at 6, 7, you have to write everything in the textbook with the pencil. Question answers, then other forms, opposites I gave, I'll send. After taking that part, you have to write in the classworks. Okay, ma? You write heading and write neatly line by line. Have you understood? You know how to write now in 5th class also? We written line by line, I think. Here also, maybe you might have taken the one's rule paper, not double. So, you write line by line. Have you understood? Where you have to write? Again, don't where you have to write, ma'am. This all you write in the textbook with the pencil. Then, question answers. Then, opposites, tenses, something I gave. That you write in the classwork. Is it clear? Okay, bye.